and welcome to this video on how to earn money through ChatGPT. Chat is an AI chatbot that uses the latest technology to deliver a seamless and personalized experience to users. And now, you can earn money by becoming a ChatGPT chatbot operator. As a chatbot operator, you will be responsible for answering customer queries and providing support through the ChatGPT chatbot. This is a great opportunity to work from home and earn money in your spare time. To become a ChatGPT chatbot operator, you will need to register with a ChatGPT partner. These partners provide training, support and opportunities to work on various projects. Once you have registered, you will be given access to the ChatGPT platform and will be able to start answering customer queries. You will earn money for each query you successfully answer. As a ChatGPT chatbot operator, you can earn money on your own schedule. This means you can work as much or as little as you want, giving you the flexibility to balance work and personal commitments. Earning money through ChatGPT is a great way to supplement your income or even make a full-time living. The demand for chatbot operators is growing, so there are plenty of opportunities available. In conclusion, becoming a ChatGPT chatbot operator is a great way to earn money on your own schedule. With the growing demand for chatbots, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to earn money online.